So it's 5 minutes to 6 and today is the first day of our motorbike tour. We're a little bit worried because maybe it was the water from yesterday. We've both got really sore throats. So hopefully we come good. But yeah, we're excited. Here we go.
Welcome to World Rampage Vietnam Series.
Alright, we're about to start our 3-day tour on the motorbikes, and yeah, I think today we're heading to Khe Sanh. Yeah.
Bye, puppy.
Tomorrow's Khe.
Khe?
Yes.
Yep.
And then the last day is Phong Nha.
Alright, let's go get a first look at our mighty steeds. Alright, here we go guys, we are on our way. 3 days on our mighty steeds. Yana's riding the big bike with her fancy number plates. Evelyn's up on the motorbike. So getting fuel in places like this, you pretty much pull up and they fill it for you, and then once it's full you pay the lady and away you go. So there's no need to walk into the servo at all like in Australia. Oh, this is fantastic. I am thoroughly enjoying this. Alright, this is more our style. We're off the main road. We're out in the mountains. So hopefully the whole road's like this. This is going to be magic if it is. Look at that view, guys. Far out, that is absolutely beautiful. Look at that for a view. Mate. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's about the 10 millionth time I've said it. This thing's gonna rattle the bike apart. Are you loving this? Yana thinks the corner is a bit sketchy, so she's a bit worried about sliding out in the sand. Alright, so we've just stopped off at this bridge here. So yeah, right now we're on the Ho Chi Minh Trail, which is where the North cut their way through the jungle to bring supplies to the South. So this is the trail. Oh, this is great. Not another car, truck, bus, anything in sight. So just cruising through the mountains, just go up and see what Mum's doing. How you doing? You loving it? Yeah. Alright, I better watch the road. Oh, we're hitting the trails. Alright, enough of these shenanigans. I should put both hands on the wheel and drive safely or I'll scare my mother. Seriously, every corner, I could film this whole thing and you'd all be amazed. Every single turn is something beautiful to look at. I mean, what's there not to love about this? Okay, so we've been riding for a couple of hours now and we've just stopped off at this beautiful little location. And look at that, absolutely wonderful. So how's the ride so far, Yana?
It's been really good.
Yeah.
It's a bit scary on the corners when there's like gravel there because it's not a motorbike, it's a scooter.
Yeah, so the ride's been good, it's been comfortable, it's not too hot, so, and it's just some absolutely epic scenes.
Yeah,
like it's just beautiful countryside. Yeah. Alright, Khe Sanh, 179 kilometres. So we've done around about maybe 50 kilometres so far, so we've got another 179 to go. And I could just do this forever. Forever, guys. Like and subscribe. The more subscribers we get, the more chance we can do this full time. Okay, so we've just pulled over the side of the road. He's going to pull it down. And Jesse's going to pick the banana flower.
The pink one. Yeah. Turn around.
Spin,
Yeah.
spin it. Keep spin it. Twist it off.
Oh! Okay. We'll make it for lunch. We'll cook it. This one. Yes.
Oh, he's going to cook it.
We slice and then we cook it.
Oh,
Yeah. Very good. Yes, very good.
And we take that with us for tonight. Or for later.
For lunch. Yes.
Oh, okay.
So we've just stopped here for a small break and I'm going to get the drone out and fly it out into that valley because that is absolutely beautiful. That's the first sign of civilization we've seen for about 60 kilometres. So in about probably 2 hours, I reckon, of riding, we've not seen a single soul. The odd 1 or 2 bikes have ridden past, but that's it. No, nothing else. So we've noticed that there's been a lot of rock slides onto the roads down here. Yeah. But it's not dirty, like they've come along and cleaned it all up. Like, you know, the rocks aren't there anymore, so. We've also seen a lot of maintenance along this road, like where they're, you know, fixing up where there has been rock slides or the water has eroded away the road. So it's very well kept, this road. Yana struggles a little bit on these corners. Oh, Jessie. We're taking the moped trail. Yep. Look at that, it's heaps better. Well, Mum's ass is sore, we're not. So these are the mudslides I'm talking about. Then look at those trees, they're just hanging there. That would have been cool to be here when it came down. The cows, baby cows, moo! Moo! He looked at me. This one's looking at me too. Moo! Oh, there's one on the bridge. Oh, look at all the turds. Oh, I ran one over. Oh, I ran another one over. Oh, it stinks. I can smell it. This whole bridge smells like cow shit and piss. Oh dear. Oh, I bet you it's all through my tyre. We're going to be smelling it for hours. Definitely wear a mask for this. All the yak shit dust has kicked up off the bikes in front. Look, I've left myself a massive gap between them because they're kicking up all the dust and it's going straight into my lungs. I just had a massive coughing fit and nearly spewed my guts up. Didn't I, Jessie? Yeah. Pretty horrible, but sort of coming good now. Now I'm just doing this. Just so that I can get a bit of reprieve from the dust. But as soon as we stop, I'm going to get out one of my COVID masks. And I think I'll be wearing that for the rest of the ride because, yeah, it's pretty bad. He's got one around his face and I thought about it when I first seen him do it. But thought I'd be alright, but nah, I'm not. I had to take the GoPro out of my chest mount just so I can do this. Yeah. Oh, trying to get some air back into my lungs. We're also pretty high up the mountains, so the air's pretty thin. Okay, so we've just stopped off in this little village for a much needed ice cream. It is stinking hot. I reckon it'd be about 40 degrees at the moment. It's really hot. And a gazillion% humidity. So yeah, we're just going to sit down, rest our bums. I'm not keen on sitting down. He's sitting down for fucking hours.
I just need a different seat.
But yeah, and then I'll buy some supplies in here, more water, and then we'll head off. Wow, look at that. So dodgy. Okay, so we just saw a sign that said 104 k's to Khe Sanh. So we're not that far. We've done 180 kilometers through all this. We've been riding since 8:30 this morning and it is 2 o'clock. So we've been riding for 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we've been riding for 5 hours and I think this is where we're stopping for lunch, quite possibly. I think we're all ready for a rest from the bikes, including our guide. He looks exhausted too.
By the way, we haven't introduced him yet. This is Quinn, everyone.
This is Quinn. This is our guide. Absolute legend, this fella.
Banana. Now we are to cook it.
Alright, lunch is served.
Wait, Mum.
It's the banana. Our banana.
Oh, that's banana.
Yes.
Ah, that has our banana in it.
Yes. The salted. Yeah.
That's yummy.
I'm glad.
Yeah, so that was our banana meal there. Oh yeah, it was good. Very good, guys. the temperature is so nice now. All the cold air is coming down out of the mountains, and it's just spectacular. Like, I don't think I'm ever going to be able to describe it to anyone. It's crazy how good it is. Couldn't do this in Australia. As the sun sets on this lovely afternoon, we are all drenched in river water to keep us cool, because it's still about 35 degrees. So yes, join us as we go on our sunset ride through the mountains of Vietnam on the West Ho Chi Minh Trail. So Jesse keeps lifting his visor and bugs keep getting him in the eyeballs. It's hilarious. Wow! Alright, so maybe there is some traffic. That was fun. Oh, every corner has something different. I love it. Seriously, it's like an ever-changing landscape. Nothing is the same. When we're in Bali and we're riding, you know, the mountains, they all look the same all the way up. Right? And then every village kind of look the same, you know, with its little differences. But this place, every corner is different. It's like different wildlife, different plants everywhere, different hills, different road. It's just, like, look at that. We're around the corner again. It's all brown. Completely different to the last bend. Let's see what's around this bend. And there's cows. See, come around the corner, there's cows. There's a bunch of random cows. Oh, she's got the zoomies. The goddamn sky is blue! Evie! Evie! The sky is blue! The goddamn sky is blue! I think I scared the tour guide by screaming. I'm just so excited to see the blue sky. It's been so foggy and so misty for so many days. We have not seen the sky since we've been here, which is really sad that it's that smoggy. Yeah, I never thought I'd be that excited to see the blue sky. What would you say, Jesse? It is?
Absolutely beautiful!
They're deer. Oh no, they're goats.
I thought that was a deer.
What a funny looking fed. Check out that, guys. I don't know if you can see all the little kids over there. They're jumping in the water, having a scrub. But yeah, I mean, who wouldn't want to? It's actually warm water, believe it or not, because it's so hot here at the moment. The water's warm as, so if I lived here, I'd jump in there too. Okay, so as it turns out that this river here is flowing into Laos. So the border, how far is the border?
From here to the border around like 20k.
20 kilometers, so we're the 20 k's from the Laos border.
And only one river in Vietnam going to Laos, only this one.
Only this one goes into Laos. We found a better way. Jesse's gonna ride us now. Go, Jesse! This is a bit different. The weight's all on the front now and I'm sitting on the dicky seat. At least you can see everything. So the weather has fully changed. It's gone from hot as hell and sunny. Now the clouds are covering us. Could have been like that at 2 o'clock today. It would have been beautiful, but anyway, beggars can't be choosers. You gotta roll with what you got. Shit, that was hilarious.
My leg!
My ass cheek.
Now you know how I feel back there.
Oh dear.
My knee just got crushed.
Fell out of his scooter pocket, so he is going back now to look for it.
Yeah, when we hit that giant bump, I thought it was my knee hitting the pocket.
Yeah.
It was actually the vape falling onto my knee.
I know.
Fucking spewing it. It was right deep in that pocket too.
I think you should go look too.
He said don't come down, I'll go look. Okay. Lost me bloody vape. Oh, my man. Oh, it's missing the top.
Oh.
Oh, that's all right. All right, guys, we're on a rescue mission to find the rest of my vape. Never believe it, guys. We found it. Dead set. Just there on the road. We have rescued my sanity. This vape is honestly the toughest thing in the world. It seriously.
It has gone through what?
It's gone through hell and back.
6 broken tanks.
No, I've had this tank for 2 years and it's gone through hell and back.
What company is it?
Zeus.
Zeus.
Zeus, you make good tanks.
You want to sponsor us?
So yeah, just over there is the country of Laos. Let me pause for that big thunder shot. Yeah. And what better way to look at it than with a big lightning storm above us? Believe it. Wow, got it on the Pro! Big lightning bolt across there. What a change in the weather, guys. From 40 odd degrees and stinking hot and we're like literally dying in the heat to just beautiful. Big thunderstorm, cool weather. It's fantastic. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, the lightning is literally striking over the top of us. It's raining a little bit. It's not raining heavy or anything. I don't know how much further we've got to go, but the road is getting worse and worse. So this is all right here. This is why I'm vlogging. But yeah, you can see we're just on the edge of the storm there. We're trying to get away from it as quick as we can. Yeah, our tour guide said it's really, really bad. So if it rains on us. Plus we're running out of fuel. God, it's drama central here. Never have we ever travelled like this before. But still the view. you forget about it because of the view. And I'm vlogging on my iPhone at the moment because the GoPro batteries have died and we don't have time to change them over. So that's all my drone and all my batteries are in his bike. So that Jesse didn't have to carry such a heavy weight on his back. I don't know if you can see the rain, but it's starting to rain heavier and heavier. Alright, I'm putting it away. This is too dangerous. See you guys, we'll see you when we finally stop. Okay guys, we made it. It was a mad dash and we didn't run out of fuel, but we got to the fuel station and it's closed. So now we're in this little town, but he's found some fuel across the road out of Coke bottles. So
I'm telling all my friends.
we're gonna be all right, guys. It's really hard to ride in this because the dark glasses make it even darker, which is quite fun, isn't it?
Put your sun visor
I
down.
took my sunnies off.
Oh, my visor's worse than my sunnies.
Oh, is it?
It's so dirty, I can't see through it.
I mean,
Why
mine
is
is
it?
too.
No, look at this. You can't actually see through, it's all
Yeah.
scratched.
It's gonna say.
As soon as we got into town, I put my visor up. It wasn't as dusty, but I used my visor for a bit. But because I wear prescription sunglasses, as soon as I took my sunnies off, I couldn't see properly. So, and then a truck came towards us and his like bright headlights blinded me, and I could tell that the road next to me was really rocky, so I just slowed right down.
Yeah, I saw.
So yeah, if you're not sure, just slow down. They'll move around you.
Unless you're in the middle of
Oh,
the road.
they're looking for fuel too. It's closed, mate. They knocked off for the day. You guys probably aren't going to be able to see that, but we can. Holy hell, there's bats everywhere. There was like 100 bats in the air then, Jesse. So, is it dark enough for you guys now? We're still on a mad dash back, but we have fuel, so it's good. Everything changes at night. It's a lot different. Like, I don't know if that's bright for you, but it's bright for me and I can't see shit. I can't see the potholes until you hit them, and trust me, there is many potholes. And now we're stuck behind a car. Real dark now, tubers. We are, yeah, I think it's about 7 o'clock now. It'll be about 7 p.m, maybe 7:30. We're still going towards Khe Sanh. Didn't realise it was this far. But today, once we get to Khe Sanh, we've only done 230 kilometres. And we left at 8 this morning. We stopped for an hour for lunch. And we're still riding. We've had a few stops, 15-minute breaks. Like quite a few, but far out. It takes forever to get just 230 kilometres. So guys, we made it to Khe Sanh. We are at the hotel now. The bikes are all tucked in for the night. What do you think, Jesse? Do you want to grab your bag, buddy? So how was that ride, Jana?
Okay, so first ride in the dark in a country that I don't normally ride in, on the wrong side of the road with dirt and gravel on the corners. I really enjoyed it. I thought I was going to be really scared during the night time, but it was actually so much fun.
Yeah, so the problem is your lights don't show you the potholes or the like until you're on them, or the cow shit until you're right on them. So.
Yeah.
It's fate. It's fate, Mum. It's fate.
Oh, they're happy we're here.
It's congratulations for the first day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made it. We didn't die on the roads and we didn't die from the heat.
Woohoo! Ravages are here.
Yeah, we're here. All right, first look at the room. It's trash because we just got in and threw our shit off and had showers because we're just covered in dust. It's a budget hotel. We're on a budget. Look, we're on a budget. Yana was asked what star hotel she would like, and she said 3, which is barely passed for a 3. All right, welcome to Khe Sanh. It is pitch black. It doesn't look overly busy, so that's a good thing.
I wish it was daytime so we could actually see it properly.
Yeah, it's night. We got here late because of a slow rider.
After grabbing some dinner and some supplies, We headed back to the hotel for a good solid sleep, and we needed it because the next day was going to throw some serious challenges our way.
Go west in your underwear, go west, life is peaceful there. Go west, sky's full of poo, go west, this is what we gotta do.